everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this triple strand coin necklace, and what we'll need for that is an 18-inch piece of chain, a 20-inch piece, and a 23-inch piece. We'll start by adding 4mm jump rings to the ends of each length of chain. Now we'll take 6mm jump rings. There's one. And we're going to connect the jump rings at the ends of the chain on one side of the necklace. We'll start here with our longest, our 23, our 20, and our 18. And we're going to connect a lobster clasp on this side to that 6mm jump ring. And on the other side, we're just going to connect all those ends together. Longest to shortest. The lobster clasp goes through that one. The last step, when I removed these silver coin beads from the chain, I kept the jump rings they were hanging from on them. So I'm right-handed. So I'm going to make this with the lobster clasp on what would be my right hand side. There's two sides to each coin. There's a ship side and a head side. I'm going to connect this so it's the head side up. We want to make sure we close all our jump rings nice and snug. Just keep working them back and forth until they touch. Next, a 20-inch and our middle-sized coin bead. Again, I'm choosing to put mine head up. These jump rings are very thick. And lastly, our 18-inch. Again, I'm choosing head side up. I'm using 2 pairs of needle nose pliers for this because these jump rings are pretty thick and it would be hard to open and close them without a couple tools. And we'll swivel this closed nice and snug. And there we have it. Our necklace is complete. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye.